What's up guys, today we're installing the dual phone mount from Bulletpoint Mounting Solutions. I'm going to show you what it comes with and I'm going to show you how to install it in the Jeep. Alright guys, so let's just go over what it comes with in the box when you get the dual phone mount. It gives you extra nuts and bolts over here. You're going to get the phone mounts, arms, the mounting points for the bowls, and then the actual arm and the phone mount. Tools, if you don't have tools, it provides a Phillips, a wrench, and an Allen wrench to get everything put together. And they also give you in the box a bottle opener. So I did install one ball mount already. It takes the 4 bolts, washer, and nuts. And it just looks like this. This is going to be the bottom. This is what they call the ruby grid, so this is what sits on top of the dash. Now we're going to get the other one installed on this side. I'm going edge to edge, that way I get one going for the passenger, one for the driver. It just seems like the right spots for that. We're going to take our 5/32 Allen wrench and provided wrench, or you can use your own tools. I'll probably just use my own tools to make this go faster. We're going to tighten up all 4 bolts and we'll get this going now. Next, let's get the arms installed onto the base. So here's one of the mounts. This is the flat side. This will go on the arms. And then this side of the mount will go for the phone mount. So we just loosen that up. We'll get this installed in here. Push it together, tighten it up. Now we'll take the other end. We'll get it worked onto this here. Just like that. And then we'll get it tightened on there. Take the other one. We'll get it installed onto the arm. Get it tightened up. Take the phone mount, we'll get that mounted in. Just push it together like that. Tighten this up. And we're just gonna do the same thing on the other side. So we got both arms mounted up. So we got that part done. This is for the action camera, the GoPro, the DJI mount. I don't have one of those in my Jeep at the moment, so I'm not gonna install that on this mount at this time, but I can later on, so I'm just gonna put it off this side and not worry about it. At this point, we're gonna go into the Jeep. We're gonna take a couple screws out. We're gonna get this base installed, and then we can get it all mounted up. All right guys, so we're gonna remove this rubber pad. Just lift up, pull it out. And then once we're here, there's a bolt right here, a Phillips head and another Phillips head. We just gotta take those out. We'll take that bolt completely out. This is the base to the ruby grid. This is where we're gonna put those bolts we just took out. We're gonna put them right back into this section. This does have 3M tape if you wanna really stick it down. I'm not going to. I change Jeeps a lot and I may wanna take this with me. So I'm not gonna use this part. We'll see if I need to later on, but I'm just gonna do it with the 2 bolts only. So we're just gonna lay it in. Just gonna get those bolts tightened down now. All right guys, so we have the smallest screws on earth. You get 6 of them. There's 6 little spots up here that bolt this down to that bracket. Alright, so we got those top 6 screws installed. I'm going to go back and just make sure they're all tight, and then we're going to adjust the arms to see where we like them. We're just going to adjust them where I think they'll be. Obviously you can fine tune it once you get your phone on there and everything. Still loose, and just kind of tighten it where you want it. I don't necessarily want it on top of this rubbing, but I'm just going to put it just a little bit above it. Get that tightened up, and then make this straight, something like that. We're gonna put our phone in it and just kind of kick it over the edge like this because it's the part that opens. So just knock it in like that, and that's where it's gonna sit. And that's in there pretty good.
Looks like that shake weight is paying off.
Yeah, it is. Alright guys, I mean this is a pretty good mounting solution. It keeps it out of like cup holders, the side of the e-brake. It's right there where you need it. So I like this. If you're in the market for a phone holder, I'll link it in my description below. You guys can check it out on Amazon. It's where I purchased mine. Any questions, throw them in the comments and I'll get them answered for you. Remember, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you in the next video.